I saw your grade. I gotta get out of here!
Son?
Do you want sunscreen?
Nah, I'm fine.
1 hour later.
Happy, can you mop the floor?
What?
No.
Let's go.
Can I have your seat, please?
My inner voice says no.
Listen, little boy, if you don't give me your seat, I will call the bus driver.
Then I will activate my aura.
Well, you leave me no choice.
Stop! Who is driving now that you are here?
Oops, my bad.
Grandma make delicious cookies.
Sorry, Grandma, but I'm not hungry. Hey, goofy kid.
Grandma make delicious cookies.
And you will eat everything. No, 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 no. Son?
Do your homework.
No.
Son?
Yes, I'm gonna kick your ass.